What's going on, YouTube? This is Dr. Carlton Calhoun, creator and founder of the Day Job Killer strategy and community. This is where we teach people like you how to multiply your money from home using investing, trading, and e-commerce strategies. If you're interested in this type of content, consider subscribing. That way you'll never miss out on the amazing value that we'll be bringing from this channel. Now, let's get into today's content. All right, first pair that we are looking at is SPX. By the way, we won't be looking at a lot of pairs today, but just finding what looks good and if it will be a viable setup this week. But I like SPX already. Retest area. To a fib. From the swing to the swing. All right. 25%. $38.2. Potential target on the retest. This is a buy zone. If it breaks out without retesting, there's our target. To the retest, I'll be looking for reactions. If SPX breaks below this retest area, the 25 is a sell target, and the 38.2 is a sell target. And I'll drop this in the chat. Let's look at US 30, clean this up. Similar. Let's go to the daily and see the breakout. Here's one breakout area. Right here. Retest area. Reaction. This is a buy zone. Let's go back to the daily, drop a fib, and see our potential target. Why is my computer moving so slow today? There we go. Oh, wow. Swing low to swing high, potential target area. This entire zone here is a retest area. Right in here. So if it breaks below the zone, our first target is right here. Second target is right here. Why are these not showing my templates? There we go. Go back down. Why is the computer moving so slow? Oh, that's why. There we go. I was on the wrong Wi-Fi. Now, these are daily targets, so of course you can break them up. $35.04. If we split that into quarters, let's do pivots. About half. That would be a target. 3,200. There we go. Split. Split. These are potential targets on the way up. First one. Second one. This will be a daily target. And the pivot right here. Clean it up. There's US 30. Let's look at gold. Gold smashed every target we set. This is the bottom on the daily. Daily support. If it breaks below here, here's our target. Big money bags, big money bags. We're right at a resistance. So this will be our buy zone right here. Then our target, first one is here. Second one is here. Third one is here. These are daily targets. Let's come to the 4. So let's adjust this for the 4. First target right here. Daily target. 4 hour buy zone. First target right here. This will be a sell zone right here. First target right here. Second target would be in this noise down in here. Here's gold on the 4 hour. Any pairs y'all want to look at specifically? Monica, anyone you want to look at specifically?
Doc, would you take a look at oil, please?
Oil?
Oil.
Which one? U.S. oil?
Yes, I think, yeah, the spot. WTI, it's
the crude oil, right?
Yeah.
This for investing purposes. Let's see.
Oh, and don't forget NAS.
Okay. So right now, oil has just bounced off of an area of support on the daily, right in here. See that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what we will be looking at, let's drop down 4 hours. Yep. So if it breaks above these twins, you can look at a potential buy to here. Look for a reaction around this area. If it breaks, then you have some distance to make up.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
And that's a lot of money already, right? 2 points.
That's a lot of money. Your sale would be right in here. If it were to react and come down, this could be a potential. Here. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a lot of money either way.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Nas. Let's clean this up. Let's look at the daily. Oh, that's your first time seeing oil, huh? If you look, Nas broke out of this area right here. Same general area. Right in here. So it could possibly, just like US 30 and SPX, it could possibly at some point come back to retest these areas. Ideally, that's what I would want to happen. I want it to fall back here and then we can really buy it up.
Okay.
So if we take the swing, which is the true low is here. If we take a fib and go from tip to tip. So, you know, I like to sell the 25%. So this would be my 25%, where I would be looking to retest to, even potentially. down here. But if it breaks out at the 1, that's our buy zone. And then we'll be looking to take profit. Not necessarily all the way up, so we'll split it in half. And as you can see, we have pivot marks in there. So if we split it, about right here. So let's see how it looks on the hourly. Perfect. There's the buy zone. So if it rejects on the hourly, if you trade on the hourly, here's some points you could look at. Possible reactions. So the 25 to 382, that's on the daily.
Okay. But
Pay
where's
attention.
the sell zone?
Huh?
Where's your sell zone? Just a rejection off of that breakout?
Yeah. So right here, this will be my sell zone where I'm looking for activity. Right here. Because it may retest. Look at the daily again. We never really retested this area. See this?
Okay. Yeah.
This is the breakout right here. So we may come back to around 14,222 just to retest this area before either pushing up or breaking this trend line. So it's in a key area right in here. You could even buy it from here to here on the 1 hour. So let me clean this up. See what happens around in this zone somewhere in here. If it breaks out, look to buy it. Cool?
Cool. I don't know, like Nas, it likes to test its previous high. Like almost.
Exactly. So here's a potential target. This is down on an hour. Here's a potential target. I like to split theirs. And adjust stop losses accordingly. So on the daily, I would still be looking for it to come back to retest these areas down to the 25. If not, I'll be looking to buy it around 14,896 and see how far up we can take it.
Okay.
See how it's consolidating?
Yes.
So pay attention to what it does in here. If you even wanted to take it down some, look at this. Here's a sale on the 15 right here. I'll mark it. I don't like to market too much because people really start to get confused, but this is a 15-minute sale.
Yeah, but it's really crucial at this point because you have so many, you're at these levels right now.
Mm-hmm. And the target is still here. Make sense?
Trying to follow.
So My buy zone is based on a larger time frame. If you trade 15-minute, your sell zone, if it breaks above, you take it to the buy zone. I mean, yeah, if it breaks above the sell zone, you take it to the buy zone. 15-minute target. Because this is consolidating. So we have an upswing, consolidation, breakout, up, consolidation. Make sense?
Yes.
You know, I don't like having too much on my chart, but look at that. Then we have another one from here to here. This is consolidation. This is consolidation. This is consolidation. So our next zone would be up in this area. I hope that makes sense.
It does.
Cool. I would leave this, but it's kind of, I like clean charts. I'll leave it like that. And I'll put the 15-minute chart in the chat. All right. I'll probably do 2 more. You trade Euro USD, right, Monica?
At times, yes, but lately I haven't.
Okay.
But that would help.
Anybody else on? Do you want to see anything in particular?
Oh, the German 30. Sorry, that's the last one. I don't want to monopolize your.
Look at this. Broke out. This is a nice setup. It's already in consolidation. So it's very simple. Look for the breakouts. Sell zone on the 15. There's your target right there. By target, not by zone. If it breaks below this, look at all of this that it can possibly come back to. In fact, look at all of this. Here's your next key area right here. Let's see how it looks on the 1 hour. Oh, yeah. If it breaks above this second target, your next target is up here. If it breaks below the 15, you could be looking at a huge drop. See how that looks on the daily. Yep. Man.
Yeah, and it does tend to cover all the imbalances, all of it. Doesn't leave anything unturned.
This look at this consolidation on the daily. So imagine once it gets here, your next area would be all the way here, then all the way here, and all the way here. Now, I don't think it's going to do that within the next couple of weeks, but it's potential. If somebody's patient. Let's catch this one on the 15. Here it is on the 15. So this would be a target. Your next true target would be down in these areas. And I'll leave that, and I'll do one more. Nope, I don't want to do that one. Yep, let's do this one. My buy zone held up. It is forming a spinning top, so it could potentially come here. This is my area of interest. See what it does here. This is on the 15. If it were to do what it looks like it's doing, it's possibly 30 pips, which is not enough for me. But if you're a short-term trader, that's a good trade. Hola, Emily. See how it looks on the daily. Okay, that's better. Area of interest here. If it bounces, our next target is right here. If it breaks, our target is right here. To retest this area, you have a little, not a little, you have a head and shoulders. So I would look for it to come here. And then come back down. Because we never really retested this area. So this will be a sell target. This will be a buy target. Let's see how many pips that is either way. There we go. More like it. Perfect. Come back to the 15. So your area of interest is a buy zone and a sell zone. If it rejects, you buy it up. If it breaks, you sell it down.
Got it.
I'm going to put this on the chart. It rejects, buy it up. Breaks, sell it down. There we go. All right. Cool. I'll mark some more up and put them in the chat, but for now, I'll drop the ones we did because I have an appointment and another call at 4. So I'll drop some more setups in the chat.
Thank you, Doc.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I really like this though, because you were able to explain each and every one. You're not hurrying to go to the next one.
Cool.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day.